Today, I'm breaking down 3 powerful machines you can use to kickstart your own profitable business. Whether you're just starting out or ready to scale, from low investment ideas to smart setups that bring returns fast. And the best part? These are practical, real-life examples you can actually start. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just discover the perfect business idea that fits you. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Snack Food Extruder Machine. Alright, let's talk about a machine that can turn basic grains into big profits. The Snack Food Extruder Machine. This one machine can take ingredients like rice, corn, soybeans, and even millet and turn them into ready-to-eat snacks. Think puffed snacks, crunchy bites, or even cereal-style products. Here's where the business opportunity comes in. You can create your own snack brand, supply local shops, sell at school canteens, street stalls, or even package and sell online. The best part? With just one machine, you can switch up shapes and sizes, rings, balls, sticks, just by changing the mold. That means you can create a full snack range without buying different machines. It's simple, scalable, and in demand, because who doesn't love a good snack, right? Number 2. 3D Concrete Printer. This small but advanced plastering machine based on German tech is a game changer for contractors and small construction businesses. For just around $4,000 to $5,000, you get a machine that pumps, bonds, and plasters, all in one. It works with all types of mortar, for walls, floors, insulation, or decoration, both inside and outside. And here's the real deal. It can cover up to 1,000 square meters in just 8 hours. That means faster jobs, more clients, and higher profits. You can start a mobile plastering service, offer it to real estate developers, or even rent the machine to local builders. With high demand in housing and renovation, this is a smart investment that pays for itself quickly. Number 3. Cheese Hot Dog Fryer. This little machine costs just $120 to $200, but it can spark a tasty little business that's hard to resist. Think about it. Crispy, golden cheese hot dogs oozing with flavor. People love quick snacks like this, especially in busy areas, schools, markets, or food fairs. With just a small table, some ingredients, and this fryer, you can start your own street food stall, mall kiosk, or even cater for small events. Low investment, fast setup, and super popular with all ages. And once people get hooked on the taste, they'll keep coming back. So if you're looking for a simple, low-cost food business, this might be your bite-sized golden ticket. These machines aren't just tools, they're opportunities. With the right mindset, even a small investment can build a big business. See you in our next video on Business Part.